You understand English, but you can't speak it, right? The reason isn't that you don't know the words. The reason is this: you never speak English. In this video, we're going to fix that mistake. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. English Teacher. Welcome back. Today, I'll explain how you can practice English in 5 minutes. In this video, we'll do a short shadowing exercise. It will be an exercise you can do anytime, anywhere, even if you're busy, or even if you only have 5 minutes between tasks. You can easily do this and practice your English. So how will we do this? Before we get to the video, if you subscribe to the channel and like the video, I'll make more videos in the series for you. Now, without further ado, let's get to the video. While you listen to me, you will speak at the same time. First, follow my voice and repeat whatever I say. Even if you make mistakes while doing this, don't worry. Our goal here is not to be perfect, but simply to practice English. So, let's begin. May I ask you a question? Do you have 5 minutes? I want to tell you something. There's a small problem. I want to share an idea. Meeting new people is exciting. I enjoy talking to others. Learning about people interests me. Everyone has an interesting story to tell. I feel happy today. I am calm and relaxed right now. I feel positive. I am ready for the day. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel anxious. But that's okay. It's normal to feel that way. Everyone feels that way sometimes. When I'm tired, I rest. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel anxious, I take deep breaths. When I feel sad, I try to talk to someone. Talking helps me understand my feelings. I am kind to myself. I try to be patient. I try to slow down my thoughts. I focus on the things I can do. Small steps are effective. Can you help me with this? I need a little help. I know what to do. Can you explain it to me? Can you tell me how to do it? I didn't understand that part. Could you speak a little slower? Thank you so much for your help. I'm really happy. That was very kind of you. Thank you for taking the time. I practice English every day. I do a bit of shadowing every morning. I'm progressing towards my goal step by step. Learning languages makes me happy. Practicing is beneficial. If I keep at it, my English will reach a good level. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of our daily 5-minute practice video. Thank you for shadowing with me so far. You did a great job. The shadowing technique may seem simple, but it is one of the most effective language learning and practice applications. I strongly recommend that you reopen this video tomorrow and practice for another 5 minutes. I am Mr. English Teacher. I hope this video has been useful to you. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and write a word you learned today in the comments. Take care until we meet in the next video. Bye for now.